Hello, and welcome to part 2 of our Havana journey. This is Godini once again, and Kadesi says Kuluma about growing up as Godini. We want to talk about the things that young people see. We'll touch on alcohol, substance abuse, prostitution a little bit. I want to talk to Sani about what the future looks like for our youths away Havana. So for part 2, I'm joined by a very handsome young man. Very handsome. I'm joined by 2 handsome young men, and I'll let them introduce themselves. You may go. I just realized my episodes these people don't know me.
Yeah.
So when you say Melinda Ngube, so yes, now. What did you say your name was? Yes, so welcome to the screenshot.
Yeah.
So guys, what it was like growing up as Godini. I'm earliest memories my mother usually says a little child never forgets. So I want those early memories of growing up here.
I could let's Godini nje kuyinto ngathi kufani ukukhulela la. Ngoba back then we were not exposed to into eziningi. Thina sesiyabafana nje sasikhula sidlala ibhora empelela lechisa nyama sizidlalela isipapa landani. Sasingela into esingathi we were worried about. But then ukukhula lakho kuyenza umuntu egcine ecabanga ngezinye indlela ngoba it tend to be something else was Godini at some point.
Okay, sizafika kulokho ukuthi kuyini.
Yeah, ukhulela eSgodini uright yimi uright awukho right. Because eSgodini izinto zazi-right. Abantwana sidlala sikholisa ubona sebelokukhulu ukuthi ku-right. But nxa usukhulile into esuzibona akuseyizo esisenzakala. Ugcina usungena usujoina ama-crew angayisiwo.
Alright. Ama-crew wapi? Okay, even though ungakhulumanga amabizo.
Ama-crew agcina usubhema yabo. Gcina usujoina isquad sama-drugs landani.
So nalaqala nini ukunotice into ezinjalo ezinjengama-drugs, lotshwala. Uthi no man, khanya abantu ngani bayajabula bangenza so.
Once vele usuqalisa ukuba se-high school, all those things ziqalisa high school. Ayisodumbe ungakuqalisa ukuthi usuqede high school hayi. Soon after nje uqede primary school ususithi high school. Yikho uqalisa khona ukubona a lot of things such as ukubhema, imbanje, alcohol. So nxa ubona ezinye intanga zakho seziqalisa ukubhema and lokunatha lawe you tend to wanna try those experiences ukuthi la uphombuza ukuthi kanti konjani khona lokho abayenza. But then sozame la wenza choice at some point ukuthi is this the way uhamba ngayo kumbe la ufukwenza something else ngempilo yakho ngoba it doesn't tend good for those who abagxila too much in such stuff, especially lapha eSgodini. It doesn't tend too well for those.
What happens?
Kusuka kube kubi.
Njani?
Suka kube kubi ngoba if Garesi currently speaking kulo linye drug ngokuthiwa ngumtori ngokuthiwa it has taken the community by storm. Kurong abadala bakha and ungabona sokukhala umphakathi ngokwakho futhi idrug lakhona so drug encane imbanje siyazizwa but leli umtori kula stuff kuningi okungama drugs kwakhona. But manje you tend to find ukuthi abantwana besikolo sebekhwapha and kulabo bhuti abadala nje inkomponi labo kusuka kubangani kuyabaphambanisa but into zakhona zisuke zibaphazamisa empilweni.
So you mentioned you're at a point where you said especially Escotina. So being Scotini being a mining town, usually mining towns are affiliated with, Imali, easy money.
Yeah.
And with easy money comes, I don't know if it's a correct term, but easy women.
Yeah.
So now let's dive into prostitution. Let's dive into prostitution, Manjan. As a young man, mina ngifuna ukuba kwazi iperspective yamajaha ukuthi lina licabangani ngeprostitution, because usually I won't say every lokhu, but usually ama prostitutes ngomama. Most of the time on that 98% of the time I'm a prostitute ngomama. So Lina, as young men, what do you think about the prostitution?
I think prostitution as I guess I saw ngawo cause into lana ivela cause umuntu ongumama ebe se pregnant and then umfana siyala isizwana so bese ngaselani inye idea ngayenza cause icareer yakhe abisifile abe lokunya futhi ukuyenza and then obeso yale and then bese sibona kwindlela yokudinga imali.
So you think prostitution only ever comes now umama is desperate?
Yeah.
Or it just stems from desperation? Do you agree?
Ngavuma ngoba there's a lot of things abantu abazenzayo just for the love of money. So ngeke umsole ngomntana abantu esuke emaguswini efuka uzozidingela impilo engcono. So impilo engcono ngafika idinga lapho esigodini other than ukuthi attend the guys abavele emamine who have money and stuff. It's easy money ngoba akayenza umsebenzi onzima lapha. I-transition siyanikana sponsor.
So ngakufisela umna wakho?
No, mna wami ngeke.
And it's easy money.
It's easy money, but without the right direction vele ngeke umuntu umforce phela. Umuntu lona yabesuka lapha asuka khona ukwazi ukuthi ususwe yini ukuthi ezozophelela. And eziningi into eziyabe zithi impilo echiyene ebantwini lapha sihlana lama challenges achiyene. Ayisukuthi ngiya approve ukuthi prostitution is right, but at the same time it is kind amanye ama factors cause prostitution. Ngoba go rough phela.
Yeah, I don't think ukuthi anyone would choose. Okay, angeke ngikhulume nabantu, but I don't think ukuthi anyone would just generally choose ukuthi anjana ente impilo enjalana. Obviously kulama circumstances into zakho vele anzake ngizothiwa kulomuntu ophuma from ifamily lemali ochoose ukuya kune street yabona anjani athengisa. So ngiyakuzwisisa. So for i-area yethu eSigodini kulama rumors ukuthi eSigodini is a lot. Ukuthi akukho aso ama numbers amancane lapho sisi abanye bakhuluma ukuthi especially since it's on the road ngapha kule like it's Turnbridge Road and usiya eSouth Africa ukuthi ngapha ngabe ngama pit stop and then lokuthini kulama miners lapha belokhuzana. So as ama community members awesigodini kuyali affect yini lina or it's something nje elibona elithi hayi different factors lead to different actions. Like are you affected by that? Let's say umuntu afunda la.
Yeah, sure we are affected. Because now even abantwana besikolo, high school kids, boys, labo sebengena emabha. Once umuntu hits 18, la esefuna ukuyabona ebha. So nxa ngela girlfriend esikolo, you can't expect to umfana ukuthi uzayenzani. Uyayenza the same thing actually eyibona isenzakala, which is bad. So kubuye emkhuhlane ku community siyagula sonke singumphakathi. Wonke umuntu nje. Yikho sokusuka kube luhlupho khona. Ngoba even now ingathi I have a girlfriend, clean and stuff. But if kulothe ke tshole imali, ekhupha imali ifake lapha ngeke yawo. Awuyatheka mbo hands athi sengimbo. Mana ngithathele kodwa umbo. Ambo ngiyamthanda okwenhliziyo but okwakade esimali phambili. Angeke umsole futhi umbo imali kakakwanza ukuyiprovide naliyana ephumliyo ngalelo langa. So suka sigulisane singumphakathi nje wonke umuntu ngoba last time I heard esibhedlela uzobuya uPherirenyathwa lapha the numbers were not looking good. So as a community, as a district, kumele lathi sibone ukuthi kukhona esikwenza just for a change.
How does it affect you? How does it
Into
affect you?
esibulalayo nje abafana ukuthi umfana ozithi ngafika 18 years ngiyangena ebhawa and ungangena ebhawa usunathi utshwala sokukuphusha hamba khona pha hamba baba always umfana omncane ngene ebhawa awuyekele asoziyekele and futhi kuyabe so affect abadala asohlupha abadala ngomphakathi egcine sebethinga yasongana osisi labana aba wrong yiba babiza abafana bona bezenzela yabo.
Yeah, but osisi bakhona ngoba kule market kule demand kobe khona that demand and supply laws of economics. All right, so now I want to know liku situation le manje as young people you want to grow up and live lama families endlandlana manje ama relationships liwa maintain kanjani lijola kanjani as situation yabe nje how do you then say ukuthi mina uThembi so ngimthembile this is going to be my wife it's going to be the mother of my kids vele into lezi kazenzi how do you maintain andiyajola
ka lapha what's wise personally from my side is not to date esigodini nxa ukuthi uhlala just find a girl somewhere else umenze girlfriend for personal abala yeah, they are good ones, but
I think the best thing ukuthi ujole lo muntu ohlala nabazali olabazali abastrict because ungafuka ujola lo muntu oyekelelwayo igcina sithatha khona imikhuhlane because abe senza noma ina ifuna.
All right. So, senze njani njengomphakathi what are we supposed to do as a youth as a community what do we do manje about ama issues la not our mjolo ngikhuluma ama issues alcohol substance abuse prostitution especially prostitution because ukugula is not fun guys lokuthi sesabelabo singumadha abanengi into ezinjalo so senzeni what can we do
lapha kumele nje if possible kube khona ongama seminars ongama campaigns ongaletha umphakathi wonke nje omba ukuthi discuss these kind of issues even labo sisi bakhona bekhona nje around befundiswe nje in terms of protection and stuff asiyala ama client ngawabo but be safe ukwenza ukuthi nje kube easy wonke umuntu
for everyone
asisabaleli bona bodwa phela isuthi ababalandayo banjani babe clean labo at times so lalaba ababalandayo nxa bephenduka ezindlini they just play it safe ukuthi endlini lakho ube right.
Okay,
mina mbona obaba bezindlu yiba baqina besenza into ezinjalo because baba bezindlu besithi hawo mama namhla yanqisha ubaba bezindlu yabona umphakathi usukhala uthi obaba abasalali ezindlini nendawo mama labana but umama nguyise khoza rokyana yabona
umama uphi oyendlini ngiyokhoza ukuthi ubaba uphuma hambaye
tincisha ubaba
alright
ubaba yikho secase siyanga esithe ebhayo siyabala lento leziyana and enye into esibulalayo ukuthi kuthi abosisi labana ule boyfriend andabona sometimes wonke umuntu asuthi wonke umuntu asenze protection labana uzayo usenze protection ethathe umkhuhlane njeni wena njenge boyfriend akani usumlanda njengoba lijada into ali protect njeni usithatha umkhuhlane lwana njeni usuku affect sibalo umkhuhlane.
So what is your solution?
Obaba
bahlala ezindlini
ubaba bahlala ezindlini
keke kube lokuxabana alright senilapha sengiyenza igossip keke uxabana lokuchayana uzokuthiwa usazibani utholakale lo bani unazibani abesebuye sizochaya unkazana la mpakwenza
akukho mone ebhawa nje baringe ukuthi usazibani but khonoko nje kwama boyfriends labo the girls ucommon
Common.
uthi hayi ezomunye sithi hayi wena namhla kanti usulanda i-girlfriend yakho mntwana akakwazi ukuthi i-girlfriend yakhe yena ulande okwani ukuthi nje ngithathe khona lokho embiye lapho la uthathe yona le imali ekhona.
So nasifiselana kwanawo bethu abasakhula khathesi esigodini. What do we wish for them? Uthi bakhulele endaweni enjani?
Lapha kumele umuntu ezibambe. Hawu ngaba ngothathekile angeke abadala bethini ngawo. But ungekela ukuzibamba, that's it. You are off the road. Personally nxa ungukuthi usesesikolo ngoba just know your place ukuthi ubezazi ukuthi wena ufuna. Esigodini kumnandi kakhulu. Ucina usuzolile usenze ezinye izinto.
I think imfundo ukubuya mbijani for a weekend ngendlela kodwa kumnandi kakhona.
Yajampiswa.
Wanufisa ukuthi abanawo bethu bakhule endaweni enjani?
Akhule endaweni lemsebenzi. Ukudla engakhule kwazi umsebenzi. Akhule zabelandelana nabangani bakhe kanjalo. Kana uvuka.
Ngiyakhona a lot of activities kungavala igap nje. Leyo kucina abantu besenza into ezingekho right entende ngaba lama activities nje uthi karesi yathi ubona kuchaw for abafana bahambe graduate so in terms of girl child lapho kungaba khona nje ama infrastructure nje abakhona nje abo basketball ama court landani ukuthi labo bezithola ukuthi maybe ngesikhathi esingaka behambe betrainer besenza something bonani kungareduce nje that kind of behavior ukuthi wonke umntwana enkazana semele ukuthenga ama chips imbayimbayi so bonani kungabanceda kakhulu.
I think usually vele indawo I developwa ngezinto ezinjabo prostitution. Maybe when you have into ezinjabo skills development ukufundisa not only amankazana nje even abafana uyathola ukuthi uyafinda italent that ungakwazi thulalo that will help umphakathi because okunye yethu indawo yabe lokhu siba the same way if the one thing industry thrive is prostitution. So
yeah.
I think definitely when it comes to develop ama skills of young people kuqakathekile. So thank you guys, handsome young men, for joining me on the screenshot
thank
today.
you for having us.
Yeah, so for everyone at home who was watching, Sicela ukuthi sicabangeni about where we come from, because most of us we come from areas like this and sesasuka and then we've forgotten where we come from. So think about the people that are there ukuthi we try to develop our own communities where we come from. Ukuze the future of our country as a whole is brighter and better. So until next week, make sure you leave a like and a comment. Show some love to these guys abakhulumela namhla about what is happening in their area and suggest topics that you'd want us to talk about. So until next week, Lisa, bye.